Next, let's look at the Educational Resource Center. This is a newer feature of the CurryCare app, and we haven't really implemented it yet, but I'll show it to you anyway. It's basically kind of like a library of documents that will theoretically pertain to your particular program. So we'll be able to assign documents for balloon patients or sleeve patients or so forth and so forth. If we take a look at one of these documents, let's just look at the HIPAA policy. If we pull that up, you can see that it's a PDF document. So it's difficult to read on a phone. You can, pinch and zoom there so that you can see the text a little bigger. And also, it is possible to email this to yourself. On my iPhone 10, I just do kind of like a long press on the screen, and then it'll bring this up, and I can share it. And I could pick mail, and then just type in my email address, and it would email it to myself. So just check back here from time to time and see if we have anything populated for your particular program in the Educational Resource Center.